Ready to make money fast online? Well, today's your day. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make up to $3,800 a month typing away on your keyboard. And you're going to be doing this from home and make some fast money because they pay weekly. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, I'm back, and since you're on my YouTube channel, just remember that it really helps me out if you could like this video if you find it valuable, and subscribe to my channel so you could learn more ways to make money online. So I do a lot of research to put these videos together for free for you guys to learn how to make money online. So I hope you could just like my video. It just takes a second for you to do that, okay? So for some reason, if these sites don't work for you or you don't like this method, you can always try the method in my video description. It's going to be the first link. It's a method that I use, a business model that I've been using since 2016, which allows me to earn passively online and work on my own schedule. So I hope you follow my path and check out that first link in the video description. So from today's method, I'm going to start with QuickTake. Okay, I've never shown this site before on my channel, so this is a new method. This is about transcribing audio files for them. So QuickTake is actually a company that offers this called Transcription, and for this particular site, their files are only less than 5 minutes, okay? So if they're more than 5 minutes, you have to actually go to iDictate to check out, because that's a separate site. But you know what? You don't have to go there, because you could sign up here. Interested in becoming a transcriber, then you click this link on the bottom and you will get to this page right here. So this page, you could click on contractor sign up or contractor help desk. Now you're not going to need that one. It's going to be this one that you need. So click here to create an account, because this is how you're going to get more information about this place. So this place is going to be worldwide for a lot of people, and if you actually have more than one language, it's very advantageous for you. Okay, so typing and analyzing files for QuickTake and iDictate. Who are we? So they're basically, they transcribe all these different types of audio files, and you could be one of those people transcribing these files. And they're usually only 2 to 3 minutes long, so it's going to be pretty quick to do something like this, and hopefully the quality of those audio files are good. What we require of our contractors, so you need to have accurate spelling and punctuation. You need to know how to follow instructions, be a typist that can listen to voice files accurately and type what you hear. They want experienced transcriptionists, so you might need to have a little bit of experience. So I had shown last week different transcription sites. If you don't have experience, you may want to start with those sites instead. And you need to have your own space, of course, and be honest and so forth. You're not convicted. You need to take a typing quiz, and then you're going to need to take another test to understand the requirements. So you're going to make sure you know the requirements. And then depending on how you score, then you're going to be also offered services to iDictate if you do well. So you want to come here and actually read all these things to be able to know what they are requiring, because you are going to be tested, remember here. You're going to be tested to ensure you understand the requirements. So you might want to go through all this stuff. Oh, there is a background check, and you have to pay for that background check, unfortunately. So you could pay it through PayPal or credit card. So that's just something that they need to do. And then you just need to agree to their terms. And this is the form that you need to fill out. So it says, I have read all this stuff, and it's over here. You just unclick this and you get all those different things that you need to know about their agreements, okay? That's part of what you're going to be tested on, and this stuff. So you kind of need to know the requirements and everything for this particular site. The next one I want to show you is SpeakRight at SpeakRight.com. For this one is another transcription service, and they do transcription and also do Zoom call meetings, like transcribe for phone calls, Zoom call meetings, and so forth. And so this is their front page for people who want their service, and if you want to be one of their professionals, you gotta go back up top here. It says typist hiring login, okay? So you'll get to this page when you click that button, So here they have transcription jobs positions open. So they are hiring, which is good, but they are only hiring, guys, for people who are in the US and Canada. For here, how much you can earn is approximately $3,400 for this particular site. And on average, people are earning $450. So there's a lot of people that only try it one time, or they don't try very hard, and so that's probably why they don't earn that much. So obviously, the more you dedicate to this, the better you get at it, and then the more you make. So the potential is there if you want it, okay? And the typing skills that you need here is only 60 words per minute, which is actually pretty good with 90% accuracy. So you're going to need to do a test. So you're going to need to do a practice. You should practice before you apply so that you don't screw your test up here, because you do need to do a typing test for them. And so you need to be a legal resident of the US or Canada, but you cannot apply from California because of this new AB5 law. Look it up. I'm not sure. I think it's because you cannot be a contractor without benefits anymore. So that kind of screws up a lot of people in the US, because I don't think it's just California. It's probably other states. So I'm not sure why different sites are only citing certain states. I see 3 states on another site. I see a bunch of states from another site. So it's hard to tell. Like soon, US, you won't be able to do contract work, man, because they want people to pay benefits to contractors now. So it's going to cost companies more to hire contractors in the USA, basically. So language, you need to be proficient in English and know your grammar and so forth. Legal applicants need to have 1 year or more in a law firm. General applicants need to have a year or more of transcription and word processing experience. And then if you have Spanish, you'll be even better, because Spanish will be good if you could translate as well, because they do translations, which you could earn a lot more money if you do translation. So that's it for SpeakRight. So unfortunately, SpeakRight doesn't allow more than US and Canada, but the first site does, okay? And this one is Daily Transcription. Daily Transcription is going to be a little bit more lenient about worldwide applicants. So they are specific on those people though. So just wait a second, okay? So Daily Transcription is another site that allows you to work for them to do typing, and they have transcription services as well as translation services, and they also have captioning as well. So if you want to try out this site, you just go to careers up here, you just click this, and you'll get to this page right here. So there's 3 things you can be here: transcriptionist, a subtitler or captioner, or you could be a bilingual Spanish transcriptionist. For this daily transcription, they're saying that you are going to be paid with the highest rates, because they're going to be higher than Rev and Transcribe Me and Scribby and many more. They're saying their rates start at 75 to 85 per audio minute. So this one is a great one to try. You could receive training, feedback, coaching, and this one you can make anywhere from $250 to $950 per week, which makes up to the $3,800 I was saying earlier in the video, okay? So you could earn some pretty good money being a transcriptionist here. So who are they looking for? Stay-at-home moms, fathers, students, anyone who wants to do a part-time income. And you must be a highly detailed individual and committed to perfection. Of course, you want to be able to meet deadlines and always be professional. How do you get started? You just click on the position you want to apply on the right bar. Oh, so you just gotta click on one of these to apply. And then you just continue there and follow the steps, which you're probably going to take one of these tests and a transcription test. So there's 2 tests you'll be taking, and then check out the list of FAQs for additional questions. So I do want to stress that you do need at least 50 words per minute typing skills. And of course, you need to know how to listen and master English. And the equipment that you need will be a computer with internet and headphones and a foot pedal is not required, but it's highly recommended. They provide training as well. Can I apply if I do not live in the US? So this is the part where they tell you, okay? So to be a transcriptionist, which is the first button, the first blue button, you have to reside in the United States or Canada. But if you are outside of US and Canada, you can apply for the other two buttons, which are the captioner and the translation, okay? Right here, the subtitler or captioner or the bilingual Spanish. So these two are worldwide. Only this one is US and Canada. And how will you get paid? They pay weekly by check only. And if you're outside US and Canada, they have other payment arrangements that can be made. And you have to be 18 and over for here. That's how daily transcription works. Now, that is one of the ways to actually make a lot more money faster if you want to go this way and work for somebody else, but you are trading time for money still. So if you want to earn passive online income, then you need to check out the first link in the video description where you can learn some better online skills and earn big money from developing your own online business instead. Developing your own online business is actually not as hard as you think when you have the right program to kind of follow the steps to the T, and you will be able to build your own online business like I have. I use the same business model that they teach in that first link in my video descriptions. I have not only learned from their program, but also have earned from the program, and that's optional, okay? That second part. You don't have to earn from the program. You could earn from your own online business that you want to develop. So you don't have to do what they say at all. There's many choices that you can go on how you go about building your online business. So I hope you follow my path and check out the first link in the video description. All right, so I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week. I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I hope I see you on the next one. Bye!